Hello, my name is Beata from Beata Aleksiejuk language channel. We're going to start a new section. It's Polish tongue twister, really difficult Polish sentences, especially when we try to speak fast. But you can do it. I think in each country you have sentences like that. This sentence means that the boy, whose name is Sasha, walked by the road, and this road was dry. Szedł Sasha suchą szosą. Szedł Sasha suchą szosą. Szedł. Szedł Sasha suchą szosą. Szosą. Szedł Sasha suchą szosą. Szedł Sasha suchą szosą. Szedł Sasha suchą szosą. Szedł Sasha suchą szosą. And this is everything for this video. Subscribe to my channel. Below in the description of the video you can see useful links. I invite also to comment this video. Tell me a little bit about the difficult tongue twisters in your language, and I hope after watching this video you can repeat the sentence. See you in the next class.